when I need motivation. My one solution is my queen, cause she stays strong. Yeah, yeah. Hey, what's up? This is your boy Omi kicking it right here on Pree Dis. Check it out, man. I'm out.
Welcome back to the show, guys. Now let's head on over to Grenada for this week's Caribbean music video. Let's hear from Lil Vaughn with No Lie.
I don't mind if you pay money. It's only me that drunk. It's only me. And if you see me falling, leave me on the ground. I make up my mind, it's better, fetting. I don't want to leave, so please don't bother me.
Keeping Fit segment, let's hear about the services offered at the Classic Body Fitness Gym in Spanish Town. Listen up.
This segment is sponsored by Gatorade, Win From Within.
Billy Bounce, yeah. Every bad man and every dog, yeah. I agree with your boss, yeah. So the rum say, yeah. You look better than Beyonce.
Classic Body Fitness is secure, it's clean, it's safe. So come on down and check us out. You won't regret it. As you can see, we're always busy, we're friendly. So come on down, we're looking forward to see you.
We're located at shop number 133 Tignam Commercial Plaza. That's on the Old Harbour Road. And it's right on the main. You don't have to turn off or anything. As you're passing by, you just see the sign, Classic Body Fitness Center Limited.
To all our supporters, thank you to all our customers. Thanks, we appreciate it like 100 times, so thank you very much.
We have 2 instructors, and yes, they are certified. And in the evening, we have 2 other instructors, so in all, we have 4 certified instructors here. On Sundays, we open at 8 to 5, and Saturdays, we open 9 in the morning until 7 in the evening, and Monday to Thursday, we open 5 in the morning until 10 in the night, and on Friday, we open 5 in the morning until 7:30 in the night.
If you're into bodybuilding, if you're into just maintaining and losing weight, come on down. We have protein shakes available, we have fruits available, we have green juice available, and as you can see, we are all friendly. You can come to us and talk to us about anything. So come on down and check us out.
And we have everything to your need. We cater for all classes of people, all age group, even the toddlers from the basic school department. They come here and they get to know the gym. And we have the Taekwondo class, so we cater for all age group. We have discount for our senior citizens. We have discount for civil servants, even our students. If you're a student and as long as you come with your ID, we cater for you. So come on, we cater for everybody, just right across the board.
Now we're going to head right into the Pree Dis top 10 charts. Let's see who's number 1.
Just tell me it's sweet, I do, sure. Go so boom 1 time, boom boom. Up in a hit 2 time. That go so boom 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 3 time. Make up your face, flash your fingers same time. Chin go so boom, Prissy go so boom. Swat twin go so boom 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 boom. Missy Barbie bend up like she a feel pain. Nikisha, how will you tell me say the dance name? I talk
do a CT scan. Money pa my brain, money pa my brain, dog. Money pa my brain, do a CT scan. Money pa my brain, money pa my brain, dog. Money pa my brain, every woman, every man. Money pa my brain, money pa my brain.
In a real life, I pray, man, I pray, and I go and hold the faith in a real life. In a real life, the amount of struggles on my face, man, I forgive thanks in a real life. In a real life. No used to say me not rich nowhere.
Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there.
Baby, can you tell me like a shoes list? Say the key I da back on me at my own place. But protect my mind like a phone kiss. Your love I sitting for me jealous so.
Give me a figure when me see you, me and be a cry clean.
Bring on one, me full up a woman like me name free zone. Some of them brand new, some of them are pre-owned. What be it in the dark, while in the dark.
Hang up, me the on the next call. Hang up, me the on the next call.
We don't work with that, me not like that style.
Me no want that profile then. Funny money I run, me no want that Kyle then. Hope you a work and we no like that. With that, we no like that style then. Do the maths.
Me no see no boy when me afraid of. Me no see no boy when me afraid of. Me no see no boy when me afraid of. You can't make me run left me area. So you feel like you can drape and bad me home. Me no face screw face with long coat, but I coulda boost them up like me.
Puppy tail with a man back of them. Y'all them a catch it every girl back of them. Y'all a do the puppy tail with a man back of them. Puppy tail, y'all a do the puppy tail, puppy tail, y'all a do the puppy tail, y'all a do the puppy tail. Watch the girl them a do the puppy tail.
Dancehall can't start forever and ever. Dancehall can't start. Dancehall can't start forever and ever. Dancehall can't start. Dancehall can't start. Dancehall can't start. Dancehall can't start. Dancehall can't dead yet. Can I feel your spin from the ready yet? Fashion and style of the set yet. Star of the band when you check say. Me a rub and me bleaching green yet. See me in a port more scheme yet. I feel have rum for the team yet. Tell everybody say you're free to come in yet. Dancehall can't start.
And my time is up for this week. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna. Thanks for tuning in each and every week. Thanks to the Malibu Boutique, Shop 15 Midway Mall, Mannings Hill Road for my outfit. See you next week.